Hello guys, Brian here again with another fragrance review. Today I want to take a look at a fragrance from the house of Sillage. This one's called Superman. And as you can see, this is a unopened, sealed bottle. So you're probably wondering, how did I review the fragrance if it's not even opened? Well, when I bought the bottle, they included a sample. So I based my review off of the sample. I got this for my son's 18th birthday back last December. I thought he might enjoy it. I said, you can keep it in the packaging if you want. It might be worth a lot of money someday, or you can open it up and wear it. It might be a pretty good fragrance as well. So let's see what I think of this fragrance. Superman, House of Sillage, came out in 2025. Classified as a woody aromatic with top notes of grapefruit, marigold, cassis, basil, apple, and pear. Middle notes of cinnamon, cardamom, white rose, and lavender. In the base, sandalwood, cedarwood, oak moss, amber tonic, and vanilla. So a lot of notes here. So basically, it's a pretty simple fragrance though. Basically just a fresh laundry smell type scent to my nose. Probably based off of the lavender note, which often gives like a drier sheet, fresh laundry smell. Pick up on the pear note there. So yeah, pear is a nice note in men's fragrances. I don't see that happen a lot. Maybe have a couple fragrances with a pear note. One that comes to mind is my Andy Roddick cologne, which I reviewed a long time ago. I think there's some other ones out there that have pear, but it's not as oftenly used as bergamot and lemon and orange. But it's nice when it pops up because it is a pleasant citrus accord in men's fragrances. So yeah, pear, fresh laundry. Got the floral vibes there. Probably would work for both sexes, men and women, since it is like a floral, fresh laundry, citrus type scent. The cardamom in there, I think, does add a bit of sexiness as well. So yeah, it might get you some compliments as well. A nice blind buy pickup, except for the price. It's probably not really worth the price, but the scent itself is pretty safe and easy to wear, and I would recommend checking it out if you get a chance. So that's given to my final scores. The smell, I'm going to give this one 7.5 out of 10. Yeah, really nice, fresh laundry vibes. I like that type of scent profile men's fragrances. Very easy to wear, blind buy, worthy, dumb reach type fragrance, year round. Definitely something to add to your collection if you're a fan of Superman and you like fresh laundry style for scents. Projection longevity, we'll say 4 to 6 hours, 7 out of 10. Versatility, I think best for spring and summer because of the fresh floral citrus laundry vibes, but definitely you could wear this one year round, especially indoors. Uniqueness, I'll say 7 out of 10. The pear mixed with the laundry vibes does give it a slightly unique twist, but not really anything overly different. You could probably find something similar from the designer market like Nautica or Perry Ellis, Azzaro, those types of fragrance houses probably have fragrances similar to this one. This one just has that neat packaging and the elevated price point. So the price point, $298 for 75 ml. So really high there. I would say this is more of a collector's item. I told my son, maybe keep it in the packaging. We'll see if this gets discontinued and ends up skyrocketing on eBay in the future. Or maybe it just goes to discounters and it's even cheaper. We'll see what happens. But yeah, I think it's a cool looking bottle. Packaging is really nice. My first experience with House of Sillage. Overall, 7.5 out of 10. So check it out if you get a chance. Superman's fragrance from House of Sillage. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys later.